Most people overcomplicate starting a high-level agency. They think they need a polished brand, expensive ads, and a giant team before they can land their first client. But that's why so many quit before they even start. But here's the truth. You don't need all of that. What you really need is a simple offer, a clear message, and the ability to deliver real results fast. And thanks to AI, that's easier today than it's ever been. In this video, we're going to break down how to launch your high-level agency today, how to use AI to stand out in a crowded market, and how to land those first few clients without wasting months setting up complicated systems. And by the end, you'll see how a small, lean agency can grow into a profitable business faster than most people think possible. So let's start with the obvious. Why do most new agencies fail to begin with? It's not because they don't work hard. Most new agency owners hustle nonstop. They spend hours tinkering with websites, logos, and automation. The problem is they're focused on the wrong things. They confuse activity with progress. A pretty website doesn't pay the bills. Fancy automation doesn't mean anything if you don't have paying clients. And here's the harsh truth. Your clients don't care about your setup. They care about one thing: whether you can help them make money or help them out by freeing up their time. So when you strip it down, an agency succeeds or fails based on one core principle. Do your clients see more money coming in because of you? And if the answer is yes, you win. If the answer is no, it doesn't matter how slick your branding looks. That's mistake number one. Mistake number two, trying to offer everything. Social media, management, websites, SEO, ads, emails, funnels, you name it. The problem with that approach is simple. You spread yourself too thin. You end up working 80 hours a week and barely keeping clients happy. The agencies that survive don't try to do everything. They focus on solving a big, painful problem really, really well. And with high level paired with AI, you can do that with less effort than ever before. And that's the high level agency advantage. Because that's where we ask why high level is so key to this. Because high level is an all-in-one platform that lets you deliver what small businesses actually need without putting together 20 different tools. Think about it. CRM, funnels, landing pages, calendars, SMS, email automation. Not only you'd have to pay for all of these separately, but with high level, it's all in one place. But here's the part most people overlook. High level is white label. That means when you set it up for your clients, it looks like your software, not high levels. And that can be a game changer for you because instead of being just another freelancer, you're now positioned as a software provider, the platform, and the authority. That instantly raises your perceived value. Now, layer AI on top of that, and things really get interesting because AI is changing the game. You see, traditional agencies rely on people and humans making calls, humans typing emails, humans creating content, humans taking notes. But humans are slow, inconsistent, and frankly, expensive. AI doesn't get tired, it doesn't forget, it doesn't miss follow-ups. That means when you integrate AI into your high-level agency, you suddenly offer something that most competitors can't: speed, consistency, and scale. So let's get concrete. AI receptionist. Now imagine every missed call instantly handled by an AI voice assistant that books appointments, answers questions, and never says, "I'll call you back." For local businesses, that's huge. Missed calls equals missed money. So think about that. Now another follow-up or another offer, AI follow-ups. Leads don't buy right away. Most need 5 to 7 touches. But with an AI-driven SMS and email nurturing system, you can follow up instantly every time without lifting a finger. That means higher close rates for your clients and more reasons for them to keep paying you. On top of that, here's another angle. How about an AI content creation? Now, whether it's writing blog posts, ad copy, or social content, AI can generate what businesses need at lightning speed. It's not about replacing creativity. It's about removing the bottleneck of I don't have time to post. And this isn't just hype. Businesses already know that AI is the future. They just don't know how to properly use it, especially small businesses. That's where you come in. You see, as the agency owner, you become the bridge between small businesses and powerful AI tools. And here's the kicker. You don't need to build the tools. High Level already has AI integrated, and you can plug it right into your client accounts. So quick question for you. If you were starting an AI-powered agency today, would you focus first on content creation, lead follow-up, or AI receptionist? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to see where you'd start. Now let's talk about how to start without drowning in complexity. Step 1, choose a single core offer. Don't try to sell 10 different services. Just pick one thing that solves a painful, obvious problem. Here's a proven example. AI receptionist plus review manager. Now, why does this work, this combination? Because every business hates missed calls. They lose money every time a call goes unanswered. An AI receptionist fixes that immediately. And every business cares about reputation. More reviews equal more customers. And so High Level automates the review request process. Tie those together, that's a complete solution. You can charge $300 to $500 a month. Now it's simple, it's automated, and it directly makes your clients more money. That's your edge. Start small, deliver results, and then expand from there. Come up with your upsells. Remember, business owners don't care about your features. They care about outcomes. If your offer makes them money, saves them time, or reduces stress, they'll pay for your services. Now, how do you find your first clients? How do you land that very first client? I suggest starting close to home. Your organic network is the fastest path. Friends, family, etc. Referrals. Ask yourself, who do you already know that owns and works in a business? Maybe they're a salon, they work in a salon. They have their own cleaning business. Maybe they work in a restaurant. Maybe you're pitching to your dentist. What about contractors? These are perfect prospects because they live and die by appointments and reputation. So when you approach them, don't overcomplicate your pitch. Keep it 2 minutes max. Here's a simple framework if you've never created one. Hey, right now, how many calls go unanswered in your business each week? What if you never missed a call again? And every caller could book an appointment instantly. Well, that's what I set up for businesses like yours. Plus, we make sure that you're getting more 5-star reviews, which means more new customers walking in your door. How does that sound? Do you know anyone who might be interested in something like that? That's it. Clear, simple, outcome driven. If they're interested, you can even offer a free marketing audit. High Level's prospecting widget lets them generate their own report in minutes. It shows how visible they are online, how many reviews they have, and where they're missing leads. That audit will sell for you. They just see the gaps. You offer the fix. You don't need ads. You don't need a giant cold calling team. Just conversations and a tool that proves the problem exists. Now, once you land those first couple of clients, the next question is, how do you scale without burning out? This is where systems matter. Document everything. Create your own SOPs or standard operating procedures. Document how you do outreach, how you onboard a client, how you set up their account, how you deliver results. Then look at that process and plug in AI into the repetitive parts. You see, AI handles the follow-ups. AI can answer the calls. AI can write the first draft of the copy. That frees you up to focus on sales and strategy. So here's the key insight. Scaling your business isn't about doing more work yourself. It's about building processes that deliver results without you being in the middle of everything. The agencies that grow past $10,000 a month don't just sell more, they systematize. And High Level plus AI gives you exactly the tools that you need to do it. So let's be real for a second. When people think of a successful agency, they picture a big office, a big team, maybe even a giant ad spend. That's not the reality anymore, though. Today, a successful agency can be one person with a laptop, high level, and AI. You see 5 clients at $300 to $500 a month. Let's say 500 is $2,500. 10 clients at $500 a month, it's 5,000. Add 1 or 2 premium packages, suddenly you're at 8 to 10,000 a month without breaking a sweat. That's life-changing money for most people, and it doesn't require an army. It just requires you to focus on what really matters, client results. So here's the formula. Start with one simple offer. Use AI plus high level to deliver at scale. Grow by stacking additional services once your clients trust you. That's it. No fluff, no magic tricks, just client value. Let's wrap this up. Most agencies fail because they overcomplicate things. But you don't need a giant setup. High level gives you the all-in-one platform. AI gives you the power to deliver results faster and easier. Your job is to connect these 2 dots for businesses and get paid well for it. Now, if you're ready to start, check the link in the description for a free trial of High Level. Now, full disclosure, if you choose to sign up using my link, I may earn a commission, but you'll also get access to my private community, GHL Money Labs, where we break these systems down step by step. The bottom line is this: agencies that thrive aren't the biggest. They're the ones that help clients win with the smartest tools. And right now, you have AI on your side. So go out from there. Start your high-level agency and build something that actually works. And if you need support, feel free to reach out to my community, GHL Money Labs, where we're more than happy to help you with your journey.